Testing, testing, testing. 1 2. Testing 1 2. So this is our first class in producing or generating 3D content, 3D geometry. Right now, as you can see, I'm using 3D Studio Max 2015, and this is a small city design that I started. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be designing one of the buildings along this street here. This scene right here is fully textured, so I'm going to be going through some of the steps. The geometry is pretty generic right now, but we're going to go into detail. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this particular model and bring it into Unity 3D, and then turn it into a virtual reality environment, VR environment. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be covering skills that will allow you to gain access to architectural rendering, interior design, industrial design, video game, 3D generation, as well as special effects using 3D Studio Max. Let's see. So I'm receiving quite a bit of job offers. This one is from Brian, and he's seeking a 3D designer and graphic designer with trade show experience. I don't have any people to share these these job opportunities with, so I guess I should start teaching 3D. So you can get 3D Studio Max at Autodesk if we're learning, so you can download an actual student version. So if you Google Autodesk student license, Google Autodesk student license, and then go to where it says free student software downloads. It'll bring you to this website, and then you go to 3D Studio Max, and then you can download your version of 3D Studio Max, and you can actually follow this course. This right now is a beta test to see how my settings are going, but what I'll do is I'll set up a website where you can download this scene and you can start playing with some of the geometry that I already created. So this is an introductory to what's going to happen, starting a university on the internet where you can learn 3D, virtual reality, rendering, and other types of skills using 3D software. Thank you.